In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the YouTube About section in the YouTube app. If this video helps you out, please subscribe and hit thumbs up for more videos just like it. So you're logged into the channel that you want to be logged in and you're on the Home tab. All you have to do is go ahead and click on the little cog next to your channel name. That's going to open up a page like this where it's going to list your name and a description, some privacy settings, and other things. All you have to do to edit the About section from this page is click on the pencil next to Description. And here you can go ahead and just click Type and make any changes that you need. When you're all set, click OK. If you decide that you made a mistake, just go ahead and click Cancel. Now, this will allow you to edit anything that's written in your About section. However, it will not let you change the links in your About section. To do that, you're going to want to go to a web browser and open up YouTube. I have mine loaded up here, just Learnerpreneur at YouTube. Go to the top right hand side of the screen where you see those three black vertical dots and click on those dots. That's going to bring a tab that looks like this. You're going to want to go down almost to the bottom where it says Desktop Site. Click on Desktop Site. And that's going to reload your page and it's going to look a little bit different. This is going to be the actual desktop site loaded up on your mobile. To edit the links in your About section, you want to go right underneath your channel banner where it says Customize Channel and click on Customize Channel. That's going to open up your new channel page where you just want to tap on the banner on the right hand side. You can see a pencil open up and it says Edit Links. Click on Edit Links. And here, if you scroll a little bit and zoom in, you can see all the links that you have right there underneath Custom Links. It's going to overlay the first 5 custom links on your channel art. You can trash them by clicking the trash can at the right hand side. You can provide a URL for your link right in the middle section, and you can give some text to your link right on the left hand side. So go ahead and just click on it, make any changes that you like, and then click Save when you are done. I hope this video helped you out on how to edit your About section on YouTube from the app. I know we went outside of the app a little bit, but it's super easy to do. If this video did help you, please smash subscribe, hit thumbs up, and have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.